I'm bored.
There's nothing to do.
Also, it's raining outside.
Stupid rain thinks it's so big.
Hey, kids!
Jesus, Seth, you scared the heck out of us.
Just because it's raining doesn't mean you have to be bored. There's lots of fun activities you can do around the house.
Like what?
Well, first, let's take some construction paper, some glue, and extra sharp scissors. Ta-da! You can make anything if you just use your imagination.
I'm going to make a pony.
I'm going to make a pig.
You see the safe kind of fun we can have? Hey, Joey, be careful with those scissors.
I will.
Well, see you soon, kids. Whoa! Phew! That could have been a nasty spill. Remember to put away your things when you're done with them, kids. They could be dangerous.
Gosh, we're sorry, Seth.
Sorry isn't good enough. Just kidding. Don't let it happen again, though. Oh, and one more thing, kids.
Goodness, look at this mess. You two are grounded.
Just because it's raining, that doesn't mean you can't have fun. Just because it's raining doesn't mean you have to be bored.